Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character PuppyCat from Bee and PuppyCat. So please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that would be awesome. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the shape of PuppyCat's head, which is a very, very rounded shape, but I'm not going to do a full circle. I'm going to leave a little spot open so we can put an ear there on the side. So right here we can put a little ear. Okay, and we can do a little line right here. And now let's do the inside of the ear. So a little triangle. And now over here we can do the other ear. And the inside of that ear. Okay, and now let's do eyebrows. It's got some thick eyebrows. And some ovals for eyes. And now a cute little nose. And a little bit of a kind of a rotted face, but still a cute face. Now we're going to do a little circle here for the bell, but we're not going to do a total complete full circle. See, I left a little spot here open so we can come on up and then do kind of an oval here and then come on down and then match up to there. And now we can do a little line right there for the inside of the bell. Now let's do kind of a rounded curve here. And on this side it's going to be similar. It's going around the neck. So now we can bring a line down and we're going to have a little front leg. And come on up. And another front leg. And up. And we can do a line here, and right here we're going to have a little back foot. It's hard to see because it's kind of in behind stuff. So next let's do a bit of a curve right here for a back foot. And we can start with a back like that. And we can do a little curve right here, and this is going to be a tail. So this is curving around that back leg, and continue and bring it up here, and we need a little line right there, and now we've got a tail done. So let's do another little foot, and we can do little toes. We can put little toes on these little feet too. And then we can do a line right here. So we're almost done. I'm going to put a line right here and one right here. And that's it. We are done our sketch, and now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our puppy cat drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. Hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever tomorrow's video will be. All right, folks, goodbye.